Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new to me, they're not new products, but they're new to me, anti-aging skincare products. I'm calling these hero products because they are products that have been incorporated into my routine within the last month, so I haven't really had an opportunity to share them on YouTube yet, but I'm very excited to share these with you because these products, I'm calling these hero products because they are effective, fast, and they're multifunctional, so they kind of cut out unnecessary steps. I do want to thank Neutrogena for partnering with me on this video. They reached out to me last month, and when I got that email, you guys, I was so excited because Neutrogena is a brand that I grew up on. I remember my first exposure to skincare or introduction to taking care of my skin was Neutrogena, and as a makeup artist, one of my favorite makeup wipes are these makeup remover wipes by Neutrogena. These are like a fan favorite among like most of us, but especially makeup artists. We test and try them all because we're looking for something that quickly removes the makeup but doesn't leave a residue on the skin because we have to go in with makeup right after. So love these. And then this product I talked about in a favorites video last year, the eye makeup remover lotion. Fantastic makeup remover that really like emulsifies the eye makeup without damaging your lashes. I can't use this now because I have lash extensions, but if you're looking for a good one, this one. So anyway, my point is that when I received that email from Neutrogena, I was so excited at the opportunity to try their Rapid Wrinkle Repair Line. And I've had a lot of requests from you guys to talk about an effective anti-aging skincare line from the drugstore because let's be honest, you guys, skincare can get very costly and very expensive, but it is so important, right? So if I could find something that's effective, that checks all those boxes, and that is affordable and convenient for you to pick up when you're at the grocery store, why not? So thank you so much, Neutrogena, for partnering with me on this video. Okay, so let me get into the Rapid Wrinkle Repair line. So quickly, I kind of want to go through the entire line, and then I'm going to talk more specifically about the products that I've been incorporating into my routine that I've really been enjoying, along with two other products that is more of a prestige line that I'm going to share with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so the hero product from this line for me has definitely been the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cream. It comes in a fragrance-free, and then it comes in like the standard, which has a light scent to it, nothing overpowering. I'm not really bothered. I take that back, actually. I don't really like a very strong fragrance in my skincare, but I'm not usually too swayed by the scent of something. Of course, if you have sensitive skin, I understand fragrances are kind of out of the question for you, but this fragrance is very light. It smells great. I enjoy it. It doesn't bother me at all. So this is formulated with hyaluronic acid and with retinol, and it actually has the highest concentration of retinol that you can get without a prescription. So I was really impressed by that. I use this at night. It's extremely rich and emollient, very hydrating. I like a richer, thicker cream at night. It's kind of funny because it's like I'm so excited to get all my makeup off and then I just put like a lot of product on, but I really like to pamper my skin at night. I want something very thick and rich, something that is just going to leave my skin deeply moisturized and feeling very hydrated and very supple. It's a very rich moisturizing cream that plumps the skin. It minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It even works on deep set wrinkles. I was very, very impressed with this product. If you were to put this in like a or if you were to blindfold me and I was to put this on my face, I seriously would guess that this were 2 to 3 times the cost. I would put this next to any high-end cream that I've ever used, you guys. It's really fantastic. They also have 2 moisturizers, one for day and one for night. The day has an SPF of 30 and the night has also the accelerated retinol. Again, the highest concentration of retinol that you can get over the counter. So I have been using this in the mornings. If you guys remember, about 6 or 7 months ago, I changed my skincare routine and I started using like a standalone SPF. So I was using a moisturizer and then I was using an SPF. I'm super busy, you guys. Like I have 2 little kids. So in the mornings, it is crazy town in our house. You know, I'm up and I'm hustling to get my first daughter on the bus by 7:10 a.m. and then get my next daughter to school, and then I try and fit my workout in between there, sandwiched, and then I try and shower and get ready. Like I don't have time, I've realized, to put moisturizer on, let it sit and absorb into the skin, and then put sunscreen on and let that sit and absorb into the skin, and then apply my makeup. No, I've come to determine that I really need products that work quickly and that are multifunctional. And so this I like because it's my moisturizer and it's my SPF. It's pretty lightweight, so it absorbs into the skin pretty quickly, but I still feel like it's rich enough to where my skin doesn't feel like I need more of it. You know what I mean? I tried a product a couple of months ago that I was like, I put it on and then, you know, I just felt like I hadn't put anything on, you know, 30 minutes later. And I don't quite like that. I want my skin to feel hydrated, but I don't want it to feel heavy. And so I've really been enjoying using this in the mornings as my daytime moisturizer and getting my SPF in one. Love it. So the night cream, I have been playing with this a little bit, but to be honest, right now I'm really preferring the thicker, richer emollient cream. You could use the two together, absolutely, but I've really been enjoying the night cream. I could see myself really enjoying this when we get into the summer months here in Texas and it is hot and my skin feels oily and greasy and thick and I just want something a little lighter weight. This would be an alternative to the cream that I would use. And then they have a Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum, and I am all about retinol serums, you guys. This type of product has been in my routine for years, using a retinol serum. The way you want to use a retinol serum and why you want to use a retinol serum. So retinol is a fantastic anti-aging ingredient. If you are concerned with aging and reversing the signs of aging, you definitely want to make sure that you have a retinol product in your routine. So the serum you want to apply on dry skin or clean skin. So you cleanse your face, so you have nothing on your face. You don't have any makeup, you don't have any moisturizer. You want to apply this on clean, dry skin, and then you follow up with a moisturizer. The moisturizer is just going to help moisturize your skin, but also kind of seal this in. So this is something you do before moisturizer. The reason you want to be using retinol is because retinol is going to help with the brightness of your skin. So if you feel like your skin is looking dull or lifeless, it's going to really help brighten the skin. It helps with like age spots or hyperpigmentation. It's just a fantastic ingredient to have in your anti-aging routine. It's going to give the appearance of just more youthful, healthy, glowy skin. And then they have an eye cream, the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. So I have been using this in the mornings. At night, another new product that I've been using at night and really enjoying, and I've talked about this in some other videos recently, is the Complete Eye Cream by Colleen Rothschild. This is a very emollient, thicker eye cream, which again, if you remember, I love thick, rich, emollient products at night. So I use this at night, and in the mornings, I want something a little lightweight that is going to absorb quickly and play well underneath my makeup, and for that, I've been using the Neutrogena one. So their eye cream, the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream, is a little bit lighter weight consistency than the Colleen Rothschild that I was using at night. This is formulated with retinol, hyaluronic acid. It's going to help with dark circles. It's also going to help with the appearance of fine lines. It's going to plump up under the eye, so it's going to diminish the look of any dryness or fine lines that you have under the eye. I think it goes without saying that we're all using an eye cream day and night, right? Right, you guys? We should be using an eye cream day and night. One of the reasons that skin can look older is if it's dehydrated. And since we tend to show more signs of aging around our eyes, that's the first place that we kind of see those fine lines. We really want to make sure that our under eye area is hydrated. And I think that this is a really effective hydrating eye cream that's still lightweight enough to play well under your makeup. So this is my daytime eye cream, and then my nighttime is the Colleen Rothschild. And one other product that has been a part of my routine that I've really been enjoying is the Colleen Rothschild Face Oil number 9. I've talked about this recently in videos. If you like a face oil, this is probably my favorite face oil that I've ever tried. And you know, a few months ago I was in love with the Drunk Elephant Marula oil, and I got asked the question the other day, which one is better? They're both so good, but this one, you guys, is fantastic because it's lightweight and it absorbs. I shouldn't say it absorbs quickly. Like, it's lightweight to where it doesn't feel thick on the skin, but it's still, your skin still feels hydrated all night long. So if you're someone that likes to incorporate a face oil, this is a fantastic one. You cannot go wrong with it. It's not cheap, but I do enjoy it very much. If you were going to use the two together, I would apply the face oil before the night cream, and you could certainly do that as well. Okay, you guys, I just want to thank Neutrogena for partnering with me on this video. I also want to thank them for being so generous to give me 3 complete sets of the entire Rapid Wrinkle Repair line, 3, so that I can give that away to you guys. So within about the next week or so on Instagram, I will be hosting a giveaway. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. It's at Lisa J Makeup. So that post will be up within 10 days or so. I will be giving away the complete line to 3 lucky winners. And to remind you what comes in this line, you get the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cream and fragrance free as well. You get the day and the night lotion with SPF and then the nighttime. You get the eye cream, and then you get the retinol serum. So a fantastic giveaway. I'm excited for you guys to try this line. If you are looking for affordable skincare that's convenient to pick up, that's fast acting, and that is multifunctional, definitely give this line a try. I don't say this lightly at all. I think I've said this, maybe I can count on one hand how many times I've said this on my channel. Actually, I shouldn't say that because I don't want any fact checkers going to verify, but I don't say this lightly when I say that this did really knock my socks off. It knocked my socks off, you guys. Very impressed. So thank you, Neutrogena. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!